Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble remover in resin. First, accurately measure your resin and hardener, typically a 1:1 or 2:1 ratio by volume. Mix them slowly for about 3 to 5 minutes, scraping the sides and bottom of your container. This careful mixing prevents excessive air from being folded into the mixture. Then, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows initial bubbles to surface. Next, a heat gun or small butane torch is your best friend for surface bubbles. Hold the heat source about 6 to 8 inches above the resin. Sweep it quickly and evenly across the surface for just a few seconds. You'll see bubbles pop almost instantly. Be careful not to overheat, as this can cause yellowing or even ignite the resin. Repeat this process as needed, allowing a short pause between applications. For truly crystal clear results, especially with larger pores, consider advanced tools. A pressure pot works by compressing tiny air bubbles, making them virtually invisible. Place your resin piece inside and pressurize it to 40 to 60 pounds per square inch for the entire cure time. Alternatively, a vacuum chamber pulls air out of the resin before pouring, eliminating bubbles completely. These methods are highly effective for professional finishes. Finally, prevention is key. Slightly warming your resin and hardener before mixing can significantly reduce viscosity, allowing bubbles to escape more easily. Pour your mixed resin slowly and steadily into your mold from a height of about 6 inches. This helps prevent new air from being trapped. For any persistent bubbles, a simple toothpick or pin can be used to manually pop them. Following these steps will lead to beautifully clear resin projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.